before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. What you see on the screen here is a Womply text message I received maybe about an hour ago. It's basically asking you to join in on asking Congress to add more funding for small businesses who are denied. I haven't clicked the link yet, I haven't gone into it. I just wanted to send this to you guys to show you that Womply is really trying to help out, even though it seems like they're real bad on communication with the applicants. You know, it seems like people can't get in contact with them. If you haven't gotten in contact with Womply, just leave comments below and let us know what's going on. All right. No, I haven't checked out the link. I guess I can do it while I'm here. I can read it to you because they actually sent it to my phone. As you can see, I did a screenshot so you guys can see what's going on. So let's see what this link says, what this request says. Okay, I'm pulling it up now. It's taking a minute. All right. You know what? I actually sent it to myself in an email, so give me 1 second. I'll pull it up for you so you guys can see it. All right, here it is. It says Fair PPP. Ask Congress to add more funding for PPP. Millions of small businesses were denied access to the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, because the program ran out of money. Take a minute to ask Congress for more funding. So because many of you have, usually I don't get involved in this type of stuff. I'm not into politics too much or anything like that. I'm just about people doing what they have to do to make their communities better. That's all I'm about. But since I know many of you are still struggling trying to get your bank account information uploaded and accepted in the program, or I should say in the site with the lenders and Womply, many of you just pretty much applied near the end and you're stuck in a certain position with some SBA coding or whatever. You just got through SBA processing, haven't even got approved yet. You just signed the application. You know, you're in various status positions, or you're in various spots or various positions trying to get further in the application process, and you really can't. And these are for people who are actual businesses who are legit. I'm not talking about your fraudsters out there. I'm talking about people who are actual business. I'm not even talking about the ones who are pretending to have a business and you really don't, and you have somebody who's frauding the government help you get funds by lying. I'm not talking about you guys either, because you guys have other avenues. You don't have to lie and get this money and get yourself in trouble later. I know you need some money, and I know it's supposed to be free money, but it's not really free if you can't prove that you're a business. It's not really free as if you lie and prove that you're a business, and later you have to go and pay it back anyway with penalties. So it's not free money for you. It's free money for businesses who need it to try to stay afloat. Now, the people who need money, there are other avenues. You know, you can ask me, or you can watch my videos. You get yourself together with credit and you get funding. Yes, you may have to pay that money back, but you can get a lot more money by getting your credit together, and then you can reutilize the money later because it's revolving credit. Let's just say like a $25,000 credit card. You got a $25,000 credit card. You can pay that credit card down, bam, reuse the money later, and use the money within the credit card to grow your resources. Not necessarily your business. You can use that to get started with a business, but if you don't have a business now, you can't get access to this fund because the fund is for businesses who were started in 2019 and 2020. If you just started a business today, or you just started a business this year, you will not be able to get any funding for PPP. Okay? So what you do is you get your credit together. Watch my videos on that. You get your credit together and you get access to funding to fund your new venture and create funds or create income so you can pay back your credit card, so you can reuse the credit card again at a later date to grow again, or to grow further, or to grow bigger. All right. Now back to this. So since you guys who are stuck in various statuses, you guys are stuck in different positions within the progress of the application, then I'm going to go ahead and do this for you. The more people sign this, the more chances of the government sending out more funds, so you people stuck in the application process can get funded. Okay? That's even my younger brother. There's a lot of you guys on the YouTube channel who are trying to get this money, and a lot of you I speak to directly, because we have this report from when I even first started my videos about the PPP and the AIDL and the unemployment. And you guys, I feel really connected to you, because I really wish I could do more for you to help you out, and even everyone else. But I'm talking about, specifically right now, talking to the ones who I talk to directly, and I pretty much know what's going on with them because they expressed it to me. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So check it out. And if you guys got the text message, go ahead and submit this as well. So let's get started. Good afternoon. Before we get started, what is your name? Ooh, do I really want to put my name on here? Okay. I'll say Mr. I'm going to go with, okay, that's what my name is. All right, we're going to go past this part, but just put this part in. We're going to go past this. You put this in and bam, right? Okay, then I want you to put your street address in here. So, okay, I want the email address, all right? The first way we are going to take action is by sending an email to your legislators. So first, what is your email? Okay. Okay, your phone number. What is your phone number? Your legislators ask this to confirm their constituents' identities. So we're going to put my phone number here. I don't like people contacting me about stuff. I don't like to get in. Oh man, this is tough right here. But I'm going to go ahead and do it because I'm for everyone getting this stuff together, all right? So what describes your business best? It's a good one here. Let's say I'm self-employed. Next, how long have you been doing this sort of work? So more than 5 years. They say business slowed tremendously due to lack of sales. There's more to it than that, but I'm just going to leave it at this. Leave it simple. Here, what percentage of your gross income would you say you lost due to the pandemic? Say about 75% or more. What best describes your PPP loan status? I rejected before I could apply for a PPP loan. I was working on a PPP loan application when the program ran out of money. I applied for a PPP loan, not run it yet. My business received one PPP loan. My business received 2 PPP loans. Okay, I received 2. So when you fill this stuff out, this is the questions you're going to get. And, you know, I guess the government will know what's going on with that. But I received both loans, so. Please complete the following sentence. Additional PPP funds will allow my business to. Renewed PPP funding is crucial to small businesses. I am self-employed, working my business for more than 5 years in Lake Wales, Florida. The pandemic in 2020 significantly impacted my business. Business slowed tremendously due to lack of sales. In total, I lost approximately 75% of my gross income. PPP loans help get businesses like mine get back up and running. My business received 2 PPP loans. Additional funds to the PPP loan program will allow my business to grow to sustain itself. Please add more money to the PPP program so that my application and those from other legitimate small businesses who were denied access due to lack of funding can be approved. Okay. All right, there you have it. There you have it. So this was through Womply, as you saw. So everybody, go ahead. Hope you got this text message from Womply so we can get you some more funding. We want to bring this to you to let you know that Womply is in effect trying to right what's happening. All right, because it was out of nowhere. Of course, we knew it was going to end. And we thought we had until the end of this month. What ended up happening was, due to fraud and other things, it wasn't communicated clearly. And so everyone just ended up being stuck in the middle. I mean, really stuck in limbo. And even with the implementation of the program, it just was all over the place. It wasn't streamlined like we thought it was. A lot of people went through fine, like I went through okay, but there's a lot of hiccups, like banking info not being accepted, different applications going all over the place and they're crossing each other, so people getting stuck in second review status, and some getting out of second review status, but some are still stuck in second review status. There are people still waiting on funds from March, haven't even gotten anything done. There's people who got their first one in early April or mid-April, and the second one's still in limbo. So it's all over the place right now. And so I hope this can get the program time to flourish, and even us who got loans already can get further help going along. And even you guys who haven't got past the first or the second, you guys can get more as well. I heard at one point they're supposed to up it to almost like 12 months. So we got 2.5 to 5 months, so it'd be an additional 7 months added on to it, kind of like what's going on with the EIDL. So it's kind of like a competition type deal, you know. And people who can't get the loan through the EIDL, they can just get it through PPP. People probably couldn't get the PPP, could probably get through the EIDL, or some people getting both. Okay, so hopefully everything goes well with this. I like what Womply is doing here, and I'm pretty sure that other lenders and other other sites that have lenders involved, their network of lenders involved, they probably send it out as well. So like Cabbage and things like that. So hopefully they're all getting involved and trying to get this thing moving so you guys can get funded and we can get more funding moving forward to help with our businesses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to It's Oasis. Check out the links in the description. And yo, until the next video, everybody, let's get this money.